A convex converges light rays after they have gone through the lens. And then, so if light rays passes through it, they converge at a certain point after going through the lens. And then we say those days when we are running, the diverging rays, which was the concave lens, for it diverges them into different directions. Now, this is what we are talking about. That these light rays, when they come, they cannot easily be converged. They cannot easily be converged. They cannot easily be converged. So that's why we are saying that they cannot even converge, and therefore, and therefore, so what happens if they are not converged very well, and therefore the image of what you are supposed to see is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. Let's see what I'm saying. I am saying that if this was your eye, if this was your eye, if this was your eye, and you have a lens here, and then this eye is here, like this, and this is the lens, and the retina is here. When light come and hit the lens of the eye, these light rays are supposed to be converged at the what? At the retina. Now, this is the normal. Now, in long-sightedness, when light rays are coming from a near object, instead, the image is formed behind the what? Behind the retina, and therefore, you cannot see. So what happens? The images, so the images become blurry. So you cannot easily see things clearly. And that is the reason why this old woman was not able to read the small words of the what? Of the Bible. Let's make a summary. We have said the reason as to why this woman is not able to read is because of either long-sightedness, which we call hypermetropia, or presbyopia, which is the inability of the lens to be able to change shape easily. And we have said one of the factors that bring this is the old age. We can see that this woman is old. And now at this age, the lens tends to lose its what? Its elasticity. The ability of it to easily change shape depending on where the light rays are coming from, either near or very further. And now, after it has failed to do that, it means that we have also called that a term called reduced accommodation. And we have said as a result, the light rays from the object which we want to see, or that now in this case from the words of the Bible, they are not sufficiently converged to fix at the to be for the image to be formed at the retina, but instead the image is formed after the retina, that is behind the what? The retina. And therefore, the words can't be read because they will be blurry. That is how we would have explained this concept. So if you have any problems with the concept, you can always send a message and we'll be able to answer. Thank you very much.